Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nizzy Mac and I'm back on the track. Yes ma'am. Thanks for dropping into my channel, you guys. So today's video is a little bit different. I have never done a mullet before, but it's super trendy, and this one came already, you know, with the works and everything, and it's human hair, so I could not pass this review up, y'all. This one is bomb. If you are looking for an alternative style, something, you know, that not a lot of people are wearing, this is the one. Like, this is super cute. Oh my goodness, I feel really cute. At first I was like but I don't know, it's growing on me and I'm definitely liking it. Okay, so I'll be sharing some install footage too for how easy it is and what it looks like out the box. It comes styled already, but due to like shipping, they have to like flatten it into the boxes. So this part right here, you will need to, you know, add some volume, just a little bump, just a little bumpy bump. And then the hair, the curls had kind of fell from it, so I did add some extra curls into it, but we'll talk about that. Today's wig is provided by ILIKEHAIR. ILIKEHAIR. Yes, I worked with ILIKEHAIR before. I always like their hair. I always like their hair, okay? Like, it's never a bad experience. Their stuff is high quality and it comes styled, like someone cut and style this, like it's just really good. So this says vintage mullet, quick weave, glueless pixie cut human hair wig with bang. You guys, I have this in the 14 inches. So it goes like right to my nipple, like to my boob. So it's 14 inches. This one is $119, okay? If you want to go up to 20 inches. Well, actually I lied, you guys, I'm sorry. This one is 20 inches, so it's $179. So it's a little bit on the pricier side, but this is a really good grade of hair. And like I said, it comes styled. You don't have to cut it or do anything other than, you know, fix the curls and then bump the top or whatever. But yeah, this one is really good, you guys. So there is no lace on this one. This one is just straight out of the box, throw on and go. So they give you 2 combs right at the temple. I don't have them on, but I probably should because it's sliding a little bit. This cap is a little bit small for me because I do have locks under here, so just keep that in mind. But if you don't have locks or anything, I'm sure it'll be fine. But they put 2 combs here and then a comb in the back, as well as this one has a adjustable, an elastic band, so it's completely glueless, no lace, none of that. Okay, so at the top it does have this closure here. I think it's like a little tiny piece of lace, like just a, but it's like, it's, you know, it doesn't look bad or anything. It just looks like how, you know, non-lace wigs usually look, like a quick wig. This says 100% raw hair from one. I definitely believe that because this hair is really good. It says 180%, I can't talk today, Lord. 180% density, machine made, no lace, lasts for more than a year. This can be dyed. This says the wig cap is 22.5, so that explains why it's so small. I usually go for a 23 since I do have locks now. But yeah, this hair is really good. 5-star reviews. I mean, they probably, I'm not even gonna, y'all already know I'm not gonna say too much on it. Every review is 5 stars. It's like, but y'all, honestly, this one is super cute. Okay, like, yeah, so let's talk about the installation. So when you get it, I mean, it'll be different for everyone. It just depends on how it is when it's shipped. But honestly, it comes styled and ready to wear and ready to put on, okay? Now, I did put a little bit of mousse on these edges just to get them to lay flat, because I wanted the sideburns to lay flat and then to have a little bit of volume in this area. So I did have to bump this area. There's like some little, like, you see that, like little babies that need to be pushed up just to get that volume in the crown, because I know mullets, they usually do have that kind of like it's a lot of stuff going on right in this area, and then it gets super like face framey in this area. So I was like, yeah, that's what I gotta do. So I put a little mousse there, and that definitely molded it to my like to my face, to my hairline, so it's super cute. I will note that this side I did have to cut just a tiny bit. I think, I'm not sure what happened, but I kind of had to make it like more diagonal. There was a few pieces that were a little straight, but that's okay. Also, I want to note there are these kind of weird hairs that are like behind the hairline that curl in, and it's on both sides. I don't know why they did that, but I just want to note that they're there. I can't really find them, but they're like, yeah, I think they're there to cover the like the wig, so it's not being like seen or something, you know. But this hair is really soft, you guys, like really soft, and it takes and holds a curl really good. Okay, like this is bomb. Like I did a few flat iron curls in this wig, and it was good to go. Now I will note there is a lot of shedding in this unit. I'm not sure what's going on, but like my clothes are covered in hair, like little hairs and then like long pieces of hair. So I don't know, but I'm just throwing that out there. But I really like this one, you guys. I kind of like wearing it like with the hair to the back, but it does look good with the hair to the front also. So I mean, it just depends on how you want to wear it, but honestly, this is a yes for me. This is totally something different that I would have never like seen myself like do. And I like the way that it's like right at the eyebrows, like super cute. You can tug it and pull it down a little bit more if you know, want that look. But honestly, it's bomb, y'all. Like the bangs are cut really good, like it has a fringe to it, so they're not too thick. And then like you're able to do like whatever with this little area, because I mean it comes cut and stuff already, but you can, you know, really get down with this unit. So I really like this one, and I hope you guys do too. So let me know down in the comments, have you guys tried a mullet? Will you try a mullet? Let me know. Also, I do think I have a code or a link or something that'll take some money off, so I'll leave it down below in the, so make sure y'all check that out. Wraps it up for today's wig review. Let me know. I know this was short, sweet, simple, and to the point, but honestly, this is a throw on and go. It took me less than 30 minutes to kind of get everything put together, y'all, and probably even shorter than that, but just because I'm a perfectionist, I want to make sure this looked good for the video and the thumbnail, you know. But yeah, this is, yeah. I definitely will be trying some more ready to wear wigs, because like who got time to be doing all this gluing and baby hairing, and it's just really a lot with wigs sometimes. But this one, girl, she good to go. Okay, let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching.